In today's video, I'll show you how to export Obsidian notes to PDF. First, go ahead and open your Obsidian app on your device. Once you're on the home page or inside your vault, click on the note that you want to export as a PDF. Now, look at the upper right corner of the note and click the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Export to PDF. A new window will pop up with several export options. Here, you can toggle on Include File Name as Title if you want the note's file name to appear at the top of the PDF. You can also choose your preferred page size from the drop-down menu. If needed, you can change the orientation by turning on Landscape mode. You'll also see options to adjust the margins and even downscale the percentage if you want to resize the content slightly. Once you've customized everything the way you like, click Export to PDF. After that, choose where you want to save the file on your computer, then click Save, and that's it. Your Obsidian note is now successfully exported as a PDF and ready to share or print. And that's it. That's how you export Obsidian notes to PDF. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.